It's our day 6.
Day 6 na ba tayo ngayon?
Yeah. And we're going to ride the train after riding the bus. So, we're going to Buckingham Palace to witness the changing of the guards. Sana umabot kami. Mag-try! 新从啦起床啊起罗山起罗西呀西 Station T 啦 Ang dami ng energy.
Mamaya lokpat kayong lahat.
Uy, 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 tabi. Hoy, hoy! Ayun ka.
Let's go.
Hey guys, parating na ang mga kawal sa Buckingham Palace. We have to hurry up to exit. Wala signal dito, te. Kailangan natin lumabas. Underground daw to eh.
Saan pupunta? Hindi, dito tayo.
Jokoy, Zir, Maytree, my boy. Pride of the Philippines. Ano guys, kaya pa ba natin?
Tres Marias nagmamadali. Hindi ko alam kung naiihina o napupupo na yata itong tatlong to. Ayan o, silang tatlo.
Gosh, we are here at Buckingham Palace. Oh my gosh, it's so chilly and so sunny. So what's the weather? Chilly weather.
Chilly.
Chilly weather. Sunny and chilly.
Then, where now? Ano ba yan?
Teka lang, teka. Teka, kukuhaan ako kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Ayop ka na yun. May field trip daw. Oh my gosh, guys. Nasa loob si Prince.
King.
Si King.
He's a king now.
Oh, he's a king now,
he's a
yeah.
king now.
They're inside, so baka mastorbo natin sila. Quiet lang tayo.
Sometimes
We're here. We're here in Buckingham Palace. Oh my gosh.
Wait, wait, wait.
Ryan, meron dyan? Meron?
Nakita mo yung ano natin, bandera?
Meron? Nakita ko yung bandera. Andito yung bandera.
Marami lusot yung camera right doon sa... Sige, lusot mo.
Daddy.
Sige, lusot mo.
Mataas lang, Daddy.
Sirayan mo yung ano mo.
Oh, balik daw, balik.
Tapos iba naman.
Iba naman. Ah.
All the way across, ladies and gents, one way the other, please.
Matangkad dyan nakasakay, ha?
Keep walking.
Jack, picture ka dyan, Jack.
Bawal nga mag-stop. Dito si Cathy, yung friend ko. Nagkita pa kami dito sa UK. Minsan lang kami, Minsan lang kami magkita dito sa UK pa kami nagkita. Wala kasama? Wala! Grabe ka. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Kamusta ka dyan? Okay lang. Happy ka? Oo naman. Sino? Si King? fish. Masaya siya. Oh, yun din. Nagbabounce pa yung head.
Jaime! Si Jaime yun ah. Jaime.
Uy, ang pogi nung isa oh. Charot.
Ray, simbero eh, parang mic ng ano mo. Yung mic ng...
No? The ugly duckling.
Sa atin yan.
First time nyo nakakita ng ugly duckling, no? Puro ugly lang kasi.
Makatuto ka sa akin ah.
Narinig pala, narinig. Sorry na.
Gusto ko naman sinabi mo. Sinabi mo kami.
Ay, nangagaw pa. Gusto niya na daw mga asawa. Oh. Big Ben. We are here. Boom! Nakakatawa yun. That's the Big Ben. Nakaharang na puno. Sayang. Ganda ng weather ngayon dito, no? Kaya lang minsan 4 seasons sa isang araw. Nag-hailstone, nag-sunny, chilly, everything. So we are here! Big Ben in the morning, finally. It's our day 6 here. First time namin nakita si Big Ben ng maaga.
Extra lang ako lagi. Mac!
Cathy! Okay. Supportive kami sa iyo ha, sa inyo ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Big Ben, you are amazing!
It's time to eat. I am so happy to eat.
Hiniram lang to, Lab. Hiniram lang.
Baro. I'm so happy. Ryan, kala ko sama-sama, Ryan. Asa na yung sama-sama?
Hindi siya makakain. Nasa kayo pera.
Gutom pala. Gutom. Ano daw?
Tinatanong ko anong pangalan daw ni Sherwin or Joe. Sabi ko, Jerwin. Tinatanong ko, kamusta yung first impression?
Ano sabi niya?
Yeah.
Wow, lavender honey gin. Wanna try that? Welcome to Borough Market. So happy. Oh, there's a bar. Malalasing tayo na maaga dito. You know si Sopa Elia, oh. Cheese, baby, cheese. Free taste. Can we try? Okay. Oh, it's good. Colorful bagel. I wanna try that later. Ay, yummy! Wow! So, eto kami ngayon. Nakapila kami kasi kakain kami ng paella and oyster bar. Yeah. So, try natin. Sila Rico at JJ, kumain sila sa Greek wrap. Gusto nila, mahilig sila sa shawarma, ganun. Tag-isa na tayo. Yummy paella, very, very big.
Thank you.
Yay!
I'll give you a
Okay, 1. Grabe, Kati. Ubusin mo yan. 700 pesos yan.
Maki-share na lang siga ako sa akin.
OMG, this is so good. Paella. And then let's go get some drinks and sit somewhere. Sarap! Guinness beer. Finally, I'm trying the Guinness beer for the first time. So it's first time to try the Guinness beer. Oh my goodness. Look at this. And then, the oysters coming.
Nagtanong ako dun sa, hanap kami ng mainit na drinks eh. Sabi, where can I buy hot choco? We have no hot choco, we have choco caliente. Hot choco.
It's so pretty in here. Oh my goodness.
May nakaharang dito ang ginawa.
Maaraw na naman ang init.
Okay, back to sunny weather.
You guys, thank you so much for allowing me to be part of this kind of
Self-checkout. 2, 3, 4.
Ayun, may Kiko.
Kiko Milano. Ayun o, Kiko Milano. Tikayo. Tikayo, punta tayo sa Kiko Milano. Bibili lang ako ng wipes. Maganda yung wipes dyan. Ay! Ano? Video pa mo. Video pa mo. Oh my gosh, ka. Okay, eto kami ni Cathy. Nabudol kami ng Kiko Milano. This is your Kiko Milano here. So, we're going to Covent Garden for our dinner. We're here at Holborn Station and it's time for some ramen because it's super cold. Who wants some ramen? Me! Ay, ako lang. Walang naka-join. Where's Dara? This is Dara. Dara, our friend. Please watch yourself sa Mayor Ho Forever YouTube channel. Put you. It's time for some ramen. Show you ramen, guys. There you go. Let's go inside para warm. Kaya pa ba, guys? Ang buhay turista. Buhay pa. Cheers. Cheers! Espresso martini, guys. Pampagising. Ano daw? Sabi niya? So, thank you, Dara, for the dinner. Hi, Dara. Thank you.